from JAGfx.com. It is Tuesday 31st of July 2018. Just a daily video where I go over the charts, the daily charts, and what I've done this morning on both the mod MACD and the high probability methods. Very quiet start to the week. Just checking my notes. Only the two instances, two things I've done. Let's have a look. We'll go to the chart straight up. On the high probability daily, Oz Japanese yen in a sell here. This morning the mod MACD has gone through the zero level, so all I've done is close half my trade, close 0.01, and brought my stop down just above these highs here to 83.018. Main reason because of the MACD through the zero level, and it's Japanese interest rate news today, so I'm just protecting this position a little bit. It's not really going very far very quickly. Still a nice setup, so I'm giving it a bit of room here, and hopefully we can drive price down to this support level where this blue line is here, hopefully. So it's the Aussie Japanese yen, and on the, where are we, profiles, mod MACD, I'll have a look there. Coffee time. Yeah, the thing with the Japanese interest rate news, they don't actually have they never seem to have a time of the day for that. It's just tentative, so it could be any time during the day. Alright, this is the mod MACD charts. All I've done this morning is took a new buy trade on the EURUSD. You can see I've made notes here. It's a little bit higher risk trade because I'm trading against that 240 LMA, which is up here, and also we've got the US interest rate news due out later this week. Now it's up to you guys whether you take these trades or not at this time. Now the way I look at it with news, as I always say, I don't really understand the fundamentals behind it, but I've got a fair idea that it's going to force price one way or the other, so it's a bit of a 50-50 chance. And when you look back at historical charts, you know, if you go left on a chart, doesn't matter what pair it is, when you go left on a chart, you got to remember there's news built in. There's probably interest rate news back here somewhere, you know, so it's all built into the charts. So as far as I'm concerned, I will still take the trades. The only thing different I do is if I know news is coming up and I'm in a position that I like just to protect things a little bit, keep things a little bit tighter. So you can see this has been messy. You know, look at the crosses. They're represented by the dots on my chart. So it's going to break out eventually. So I'm just going to keep on taking trades until I get it. There was one other one I was going to look at. Euro AUD. See, this is Euro Aussie. Same deal. Lots of crosses. I think the Aussie was the other one that we had a look at last week. You know, it's getting super messy because there's sideways action. But look at the other signals. You've got QMP filter, where price is in relation to the 25 SMA and the standard MACD. So you don't want to be just taking this as a standalone on every single cross. You want to look at the other indicators. Look at the big picture, where the MAs are and stuff like that. So that's it, guys, for this morning. It's very quiet, as to be expected, prior to a big week of news. So be on your toes, and thank you, and I'll chat to you later. Cheers.